Hello, and welcome to that one group Q. My Tekkit, my Tekkit adventure, or just the one adventure, I don't know. Anyways, when we left off, I was mining and got 10 iron and 10 copper. And, oh yeah, there's a zombie at my door, wasn't there? Well, not there anymore. Anyways, so, and we also had to make charcoal because I couldn't find any coal. But anyways, here's my empty house for now. It'll probably be expanded and such. Oh yeah, Calvin's not in the room at the moment. He's busy finding graph paper so that he can make blueprints. Which is like, yeah, I guess it's probably a smart idea for Tekkit because you can run out of room fast. Yeah, we kind of took a little break from Minecraft Tekkit, whatever this is. Tekkit, right. And we played Halo Reach for a bit. Met a great guy called Sebwi and his friends. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Anyways, good guy. Decided, hey, I'll call him out. He'll be excited because he was going to check us out. But yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, so it looks like I'll have the first Tekkit thing here. First, I'm gonna make an iron pickaxe here. And
Hey
yeah.
Matt, lasagna or chicken?
A lasagna.
Huh? See you're recording. Did you already call out your friend?
Yeah. So here's the first Tekkit thing. You can upgrade a furnace so that it smelts things faster by putting a furnace down and then making
Yes, Faja.
this weird house-like shape.
In
It
her
makes an
room, I
iron
would
furnace.
Sure.
Now this iron furnace also runs on coal until you turn it into an electric iron furnace, which then you need to attach it to like a generator which runs off of coal or solar arrays or stuff like that. But as you can see, it's much faster. Well, not much faster, it's a bit faster. I thought I forgot a roof for again.
Ginger, Daddy does want you while Calvin's eating up his food. Matt?
Yeah.
There's a little bit of chicken left. There's lasagna.
Okay.
And fresh bread.
Alright.
Remember, come get us when you're done. I love this.
Gosh. Always so quiet when I play these games. So, as you have probably seen, those were emeralds. Different from modern Minecraft days emeralds. These are Tekkit Minecrafts. They have the same durability as, well, they can do just about the same thing as a diamond
What can do just about the same thing as
can
that?
do, but
What?
it can't mine obsidian. So,
What are we talking about?
oh, the emeralds.
Ah.
There's also sapphires and rubies. They're just basically different colored diamond picks that can't mine obsidian. And that was tin ore. Pretty useful. Four, 5.
Just gonna dig a pit.
No, this is my mine.
No, it's gonna be your burial tomb.
This is not the cask of Amontillado. Amontillado.
I think you were smart enough to make reference to that.
What?
What did you say first? Just make sure I'm crediting you where credit is due.
I said this is not the cask of Amontillado.
Yeah. I didn't think you were smart enough to use a reference like that.
The fuck? We've both had the same classes.
Well, excuse me.
More tin. Here's some iron. Lots of iron. Oh man. Oh my gosh!
Diamond?
This, my friends, is not diamond.
Okay, because I was thinking it's a bit off.
It's fake diamonds. Most
Ah.
magnificent substance in the world. Nicolite. It can be found in very
Large quantities?
large quantities, yes, very large veins. Well, not very large veins, as you can see. They have the same exact EMC as coal. So 1 nicolite equals 1 coal, except you can get 5 nicolite in one, well, around 5 nicolite in 1 ore, instead of 1 coal per ore. So it's pretty
You're
useful.
wasting your pick on dirt,
Shut up.
if I can be so blunt.
Ah, I see what you did there.
Good, because I'm only starting to realize what I had just said.
So what I do is I just build these staircase mines all the way down to bedrock. As you can see, I've hit bedrock there, and I found sapphires. Exact same as emeralds, but blue.
And bedrock.
And rubies are the
They're not
same.
rubies, they're too black to be rubies.
No, I was saying, and rubies are the same as emeralds, but red. And emeralds are the same as rubies, and
So what's that black thing? Oh, Jesus.
it's bedrock. Okay, so what I like to do is go all the way down to bedrock, so I'm standing on it, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks up, and dig in a straight line across. My friends
No! Back away.
told me about this. He's been using this technique. He's been going to the 5 blocks from bedrock, and he's been finding a shit ton of resources and a shit ton of diamonds, which I've not found yet.
I can't do it like Jordan. I'm almost saddened by that.
What were you gonna say?
Diamonds in a really high voice.
Diamonds!
You know, like how Jordan says Asians, but with diamonds instead.
No, actually, this I believe is silver. Oh, god damn it.
You just broke your flame.
Which is a little less rare than diamonds. It's found in very low quantities, but can be used in place of other materials. So it's pretty much useless, but rare. But it's kind of rare, so it's kind of useful for showing off. Hey look, I have 64 stacks of 64 silver. What? Kind of one of those things. And I found more nicolates. Best substance in the world if you're going for the magic stuff. Which I'm going for both the magic stuff and the technology stuff. Ooh. Oh, Nicolite. Love you, Nicolite. And I find dirt completely useless, so I use it to fill in the floors. More tin.
Emerald?
Emeralds. Redstone and more Nicolites. Wow. Oh!
Shit, lava! Fill it!
Oh. Oops. Huh. Huh, okay. Anyways, more Nicolites.
This chicken's really dry.
I don't really eat chicken much. Unless it's Minecraft.
This is what?
Unless it's Minecraft chicken. Then I don't have to taste it when I eat it. Don't have to worry about gagging over the stringy parts.
Or you can chew the stringy parts, that's also an option.
It makes me gag. I can't chew stringy things. It's disgusting.
It's a faulty wiring in your head.
What? No. I can chew it, it just makes me shudder and puke and stuff. It's gross.
You can get chicken nuggets.
Then there's like hard, like bone hard shit in it, and
No,
I bite
it's
down
soft-
and
it's
it's
soft
like,
meat.
oh god, it's gross.
It's soft meat
No,
in
I
the
know.
middle and breadcrumbs on the outside.
I know,
Fried.
but then there's sometimes there's like a little thingy inside of the meat that's as hard as a bone, and
You get it from McDonald's.
no, from Costco.
Well, yeah, it's gonna be down at Costco. It's all bulk.
And
And
Winco.
bulk doesn't equal quality.
And Winco.
Yeah.
Hey, bulk equals lots of quality. I mean quantity.
No, it doesn't.
Meant quantity.
I think you're gonna get stabbed.
By whom?
You don't want to know.
Or do I?
It's
Wait.
gonna be your wife.
Oh shit. I need more, coal. I am surprised I haven't found a single vein of coal.
I'm surprised I didn't just choke on this bone.
You bit into a bone?
Yeah, this isn't chicken nuggets. This is an actual chicken so.
Made sure.
I'll be back. I
Or-
need something to drink. And remember, keep an eye on your time. You don't want to get too much.
Oh yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine! Okay, so another cool thing is with chests you can organize it, or you can push I or whatever button you pushed before to organize your inventory. It's pretty useful. Oh no. Oh, it's not. Okay. That's not good. I'm really surprised I haven't found any coal yet. Oh no, I need coal. What is that?
Something that's gonna eat you. Or a cricket.
Actually, I need wool. Sheep?
Can't you have shears?
I think I left my iron at home. Fine, I'll do it the good way.
Not the good way. It's just that if you kill those sheep, you're gonna run out of sheep to wool.
Let's see. There's my mine, there's my crafting table, there's my furnace, right here. Oh, right, there's a space in between. Eh.
Double dumbass.
Alright, sheep, prepare to meet your shear.
That's a horrible joke, man.
It wasn't a joke. It was reality. Oh wow, I got 3 wool in 1. Okay, time to go back and charge. And then go
You're
to
just like around the corner of your house.
Get in! The fuck is that? Sleepy time! I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Calvin, you wanna say anything?
This chicken has a whole bunch of broken bones in it.
That was Calvin. Goodbye.